All right, did you get me?
Yes, I did.
Do I look official?
Yes, you do. You're
All right.
you're a superstar.
Seems like you got a pretty positive attitude, man. I like people like you. You ever be around somebody and they're just a drag to be around?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like people when you like have like a positive vibe to them. Thanks, bud. Oh.
So this is number 1,223 out of how many did it make?
Well, of the launch edition's 1,500.
Okay, so this is a launch edition.
Yeah.
Great. Tell me about the red. Those red. That came with the red thing on there.
Yeah, that's what makes the line. That's what distinguishes it as a launch edition.
It's a launch edition.
You need to get in.
No, I just want to show my customers the inside.